children.
Good evening, ma'am.
Now just introduce yourself. Tell me your name. Starting from our Chotu. Your name?
My name is Lohith.
Yes.
I study in 3rd class, A section.
Don't say third class. You say third grade. You say
3rd grade.
or class 3.
3rd grade A section.
Ah.
In my future, I want to be a cricketer.
Cricketer like Sachin Tendulkar. Okay. Next.
My name is Sachith.
Sachith.
My birthday is celebrated on September 22. I was born at 2016. I'm grade 5. My goal is to be football player.
Wow. Okay. Very good. Yes. Next.
My name is Monisha. I was born in April 18 and my year is 2016. I study in grade 5 and I want to become a singer.
Singer. Very good. Yes.
My name is Namitha. I'm studying in 6th standard and I'm born on November 1st. And
Jyotsava day. Wow.
year 2015 and I wanna become a doctor.
Wow, very good. Sounds too good. Okay, do you know the meaning of your name? Do you know the meaning of your name? Your name. See, when you were born, your parents, they were searching the names. What name to give to my child? Maybe they might have searched in the Google. They might have called their relatives and asking which name. Maybe they might have asked, let the name start with this letter, N letter, M letter, L letter, S letter, like that. They might have asked. As soon as you born, you were not named. So in the cradle, and your father and mother, they whispered so softly 3 times, Lohith, 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 Sachith, 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 Monisha, 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 Namitha, Namitha, Namitha. Yes, sir. And such a beautiful name, naming ceremony. So it will be very nice if your name is called by your name. Instead of that, what we do sometime? Hey girls, come here. Hey boy, come here.
Bro.
Bro. And I have seen girls talking, saying bro. You know the meaning of bro? It's brother. If they say bro, okay. But how come girls will be saying, hey come bro, go bro. I was really wondering why children are using. They have got such a beautiful name. How nice it will be called by name. Monisha, how beautiful it sounds. Namitha, how beautiful. Lohith. So call by name. Give you the meaning of your name. So again I will start with the Lohith. What you should do, I have written in a sheet of paper. In your tuition book, you stick it on top. He is very eager, he is peeping like this. Okay, you know Lohith means made of copper. The name of Lohith is Brahmaputra river and Lord of Mass. So keep this with you and stick it in your tuition book. Sachith. Sat means what you know? Truth. So Sachith means intelligent and very truthful he is. Clap for him. Clap for Lohith also. Clap for Lohith. So Sachith means he is intelligent and truthful. Keep up your name. Wow, my name is truthful. Then I have to be very truthful. My name means intelligent. I have to be intelligent. You are intelligent, no doubt at all. But what happens, you know, that laziness occupies us. And that laziness, what happens, you know, it will suppress you so that you will be lazy and you will not work. And your mind also becomes devil's workshop. And so many negative things, negative thoughts and all comes. That's why when it happens like that, we will become lazy. Actually, we won't be lazy. You won't be lazy. You won't be lazy. You are not lazy. None of us are lazy. But there is one, that negative thing, no, it occupies us. You have to chase them out. Once if you become active, no, yeah, I'm very active. If you say that laziness will run away. It's running outside, see. Sachith, laziness is running away. Now hereafter Sachith will be an intelligent and truthful. Give me high five. Yes. Very good. So keep this and stick it in your tuition book. Happy, Sachith? Yes. Now, Monisha. Monisha means intelligent and queen of the mind. Wow. Wow. Did you know this before? She's a queen of the mind. Wow, how nice it is. Can't imagine.
Queen.
Keep it up. You are a queen of your mind. So, can we make our mind to allow someone else to occupy and we becoming slave? Queen cannot be the slave. Intelligent. Same thing happens. What happened? That laziness is there, no? That occupies us. It will suppress us. It will keep punching us. It will keep telling us, don't do this, don't do that, don't do right thing. Keep on doing wrong thing. Keep playing, keep laughing, keep have only entertainment, have joyful life. Don't have any aim in your life. All that when it comes to our mind, what happens? We become lazy. So, shall we chase that laziness outside? Chase it! Run away! That's running. Went out, went out. Don't allow again to come in. So when you are entering the Gnana Spoorthi tuition, remember you are leaving out the laziness and coming inside. That doesn't mean that after tuition, after 8 o'clock when you go out, take them and go. Never. Leave it there only. Hey, very good, very good. Kick the laziness away. Beautiful, no? It sounds too good. Doesn't it sound good? Kick the laziness out. What we should do? Football player, he said, no? Just kick it like a football. Very good. I am happy. Now, Monisha, stick it in your tuition book. Are you happy? Wow, I am so happy. See, look at her. She is shining.
Like a queen.
Yeah, queen. Now comes Namitha. Namitha means, you look at her. Look at her face. All of you look at her face. That shows she is very humble and modest. You know modest? Again, that is like a queen. Why do you think we have selected tiger as our national animal? What is the reason?
Because it's
Walk.
It's walk. Modest walk. Have you seen the tiger, the way it walks? I'm not telling Namitha is tiger. Namitha means it is humble and modest. Very, very suitable words for her. Very, very suitable words for you. Very, very suitable words for you. Very, very suitable words for you. That's why I keep telling, hi everyone, welcome to my channel Gnana Spoorthi. Ee Gnanake Spoorthi Neeve, my dear students. Now you tell me who are the Spoorthis for me? Yes, you. So students are my Spoorthi and I'll be giving Gnana to them this. Yes, Namitha, you can stick this in your tuition. Now I'm going to put few chips and you pick up one chip. Okay? No need to grab. You will get one chip. Take one chip. We will take from Namitha also. Yes, Namitha, what did you get? Wow. I am jovial and journal. She is jovial. Stick it. Next to that. Monisha, I am unstoppable and unique. Yes, unique in nature. Each one is unique in nature. Got it? Okay, yes. This also. And unstoppable. You know, unstoppable means nobody can stop her. Can we stop the river when it's flowing? Stop. We can't. Unstoppable. We cannot. Can we stop the... Hey, don't move. Can we stop it? No. Like that, we cannot stop Monisha in doing good things. So hereafter, she will be doing all best things. We cannot stop her writing neatly in work, classwork, whatever language maybe it is, whether it is Kannada, English or Hindi. She is unstoppable. Okay? Yeah, very good. Next. Sachith. I am brilliant and brave. Wow, brave and brilliant. Definitely is brilliant. I am kind and honest. Wow. क्या बात है. He is kind and honest.
Mom is
He is very kind, isn't it? And honest also. You have to cultivate that. If you make mistake, sorry, but don't repeat. That only means. Otherwise, 100 times making mistake, 100 times asking sorry, it will not give any meaning. Okay? Got it? Are you happy? So keep that. Don't spoil those chicks. Stick it in your tuition book.